If you're trying to drop an album on UnitedMasters, I'll show you how. Once you're logged into UnitedMasters, you have two options. You could either go to the plus icon on the side and drag one of the songs from the album here. For me, I already have a release from my last video that I'm going to use, and if you have unreleased tracks that you've already uploaded to UnitedMasters but maybe haven't put in all the details, your tracks will still be there. So in that event, you would have your unreleased tracks that you now want to add to the album. Head over to the music tab to find them. Click on the three little dots and hit edit release. It should bring you to details, and you can just click on add more tracks or simply drag and drop more tracks. Keep in mind, an EP contains 4 to 6 songs and its runtime is usually 30 minutes or less. For it to be classified as an album, it usually has a minimum of 8 tracks, but runtime is also important. It should be about 30 minutes or more. You will need to edit the metadata for each song and then release date for the album, and finally you can submit. Quick and simple. We're not going to take too much time with this one. Not difficult at all. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and have a good day.